Hey there, future investors! Ready to dive into the stock market and unlock some serious potential? Today, I'll break down one of the most exciting concepts in investing: alpha. So, what is alpha? Simply put, alpha is the magic sauce that measures how much a stock or portfolio outperforms a market index, like the S&P 500. Imagine the market is a race, and all the stocks are the runners. Alpha is the secret ingredient that gives certain stocks that extra boost to cross the finish line ahead of others. Why should you care about alpha? Because finding alpha means you're beating the market, my friend. And who doesn't want that? It's like finding that hidden treasure chest that gives you an edge over everyone else. Let's break it down with a simple example. Say you invest in a stock, and over a year, it gives you a 10% return. Now, if the overall market, or an index, returns 6% in the same period, your alpha is 4%. It's that extra 4% that makes all the difference. But remember, alpha isn't just handed out on a silver platter. It takes research, strategy, and sometimes a bit of luck. But hey, that's what makes investing fun and rewarding. To find alpha, you need to look for stocks with strong fundamentals, innovative leadership, or disruptive technology. Keep an eye on market trends, and don't be afraid to think outside the box. And here's the exciting part. Once you start identifying alpha, you can build a portfolio that consistently outperforms the market. That's when you start seeing real growth. All right, time to take action. Grab some coffee, do your research, and start hunting for alpha. Your future self will thank you. Hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks to level up your stock market game. And remember, the market is a playground. Let's make the most of it. Catch you in the next video.